Well, here I am at work. This is the first video that I'm making with this camera. Hi, Jane and Kathy. I guess I'll use the camera and pan around and show you where I work at. That right there is down the hallway. And that right there is you, Kathy, bleeping me. I've got chandeliers in the building here. Marble walls. That's the 4 elevators there. There's another chandelier right above me. Right here is the laptop that I use when I'm at work, if you want to call this working. I'm actually writing to Kathy right now because she's asking me if I just got my new camera, and I am writing to her yes, and I am making videos. Right here on my computer it says Randy Moore fucked up. That's him. Okay, I guess that's it for the videos down there. As you can see, it's dark here. It's probably still light there where you're at. I'm going to load this video into a room in a minute. That's you bleeping me again. Alright, I'll turn this video off and load it up for you to see.